Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another job lead video. I hope everyone is enjoying their Easter Sunday. If you are celebrating the holidays, the weather is beautiful here where I am, so we will keep this one very quick, short, and to the point today. Don't forget, if these videos bring you value, please give them a thumbs up like to give me feedback on how I am doing. And don't forget to have your notifications turned on so you never miss another job lead video as soon as I post it, because I post fresh job leads daily. So this position is for US only, and it is for anyone looking to get into the finance space entry level. Best Buy is hiring a chargeback specialist, and this position is remote eligible. The key responsibilities for this credit card chargeback specialist position are you will assess the financial recovery opportunity for each case with a mix of high and medium complexity. So you'll facilitate and drive across functional interactions with fraud management and business operations team to obtain information that is needed. You will identify and confirm the internal technical and operation procedures, and you will hold credit card issuers accountable to the rules and regulations of the industry. You effectively work and communicate with your team members to monitor and resolve aging of disputes and chargebacks in a timely manner. And so you'll identify and escalate high-risk situations quickly. So you'll be dealing with anytime someone disputes a charge with their credit card company. That's what a chargeback is when the credit card company tries to reverse the transactions that have already cleared. So the minimum qualifications for this position is 0 to 2 years of customer service experience, so very little to none. 0 to 6 months accounting experience, so very little to none. You need to have the ability to work successful as part of a team, the strong ability to multitask and prioritize, and basic proficiency of the Microsoft Office suite. Now, they would prefer someone who has 2 years experience in a financial related field and someone who has strong verbal and written communication skills, but that is preferred and not required. As far as pay goes, it is not listed with this position. Just a disclaimer, I do not work for these companies, so the only information I have is what is in the job posting itself. So if you got an interview, you would have to discuss salary with them at that time. I just simply share what I find across the internet. If you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back tomorrow with more fresh job leads. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.